Good morning, children. Today we are going to do exercise Alice in Wonderland chapter and exercise in the workbook. First, we will read the text-based question. Read the extract given below and answer the following question. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. So this is the extract. Now we'll look down to the question answers. Who had pink eyes? Who had pink eyes? Rabbit had pink eyes. Who had pink eyes? Rabbit had pink eyes. Then next, what did he take out from his pocket? So he took out a big watch from his waist pocket. Here you can see, over here it is written pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat and a big watch, right, from his waist pocket. So why the paragraph is given, children? So that from the paragraph you can frame the sentence by your own and you can write in the blanks given below. Third, what was so different about this rabbit? So what is the answer? The rabbit could talk, wore clothes and carried a watch. Have you seen a talking rabbit? No. So this rabbit was talking. So it is surprising, no? It is something different. So rabbit could talk, wore clothes and carried a watch. Now next. Which word in the extract means the same as rushed? A. Waistcoat. B. Hurried. C. Late. D. Carried. So which word in the extract means the same as rushed? Rushed means what? We have to give the another name for the rushed. Same it should be there. So hurried. Hurried is the correct answer. Fifth, antonyms of different in the extract is unique, unlike, similar, distinctive. So what is the antonym of different is similar. So we'll put a tick over here. Now another paragraph we'll read. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock and her delight it fitted. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Now what happened? Alice stood up and she saw a small door, but it was 15 inches high. It was what? 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. What the other thing she noticed? She saw a glass table and a golden key. She tried the golden key in the lock and her delight it fitted. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Now the question. What did Alice see? What did Alice see? Alice saw a glass table with a golden key. Alice saw a glass table with a golden key. Why didn't Alice get through the door? So what is the answer? Alice did not get through the door because the door was only 15 inches high. See here it is said no. It is about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. So that is why we have to read the paragraph. So our question answer becomes easy. Now we'll go to the next page. Why did Alice do with the golden key? What did Alice do with the golden keys? So Alice tried to open the lock with the golden key. She got a golden key, right? So what she has to do with the golden key? There was a lock hanging on the door. So she took that golden key and she tried to open the door with the help of the golden key. Loveliest is the superlative form of the adjective. So lovely, love, lover and lovely. So what is the correct answer over here? Lovely. The word pleasure means the same as delight word in the extract. Pleasure का दूसरा मतलब क्या है? See over here. So stood up, tried, delight, loveliest. So what is the correct answer? Delight. We have written delight over here. Now short answer type questions. Describe the rabbit according to the chapter Alice in Wonderland. हमें डिस्क्राइब करना है रैबिट जो है एलिस इन वंडरलैंड में वो किस तरह का था. सो द रैबिट हैड पिंक आइज, सी दैट वी नो, वेयरिंग ब्लू कोट दैट ऑल्सो, एंड ऑल्सो कैरिड अ बिग वॉच. सो ऑल दिस वी नो. नाउ नेक्स्ट, व्हाट गेसेस डिड एलिस मेक अबाउट हर लोकेशन? एलिस गेस्ड दैट शी मस्ट बी नियर द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. what she guessed, Alice guessed that she must be near the center of the earth. Next, what did Alice see on standing up from the dry leaves? What did she see? So Alice saw rabbit again standing up from the pile of dry leaves. Alice ने क्या देखा? Alice को क्या देखना था? वो कहाँ पे खड़ी हुई? तो वो ड्राई लीव्स के ऊपर खड़ी हो गई, उसने रैबिट को देखा. राइट. सिक्स्थ, What did Alice see on the table? What did she do? Alice ने टेबल पे क्या देखा? उसने क्या किया? So Alice saw golden key on the table and tried to open the lock of small door. Alice ने क्या किया? गोल्डन की उसने ली और वो डोर को ओपन करना चाहती थी. लॉन्ग आंसर. What did Alice see when she opened the door? How did she feel? Alice को कैसा महसूस हुआ जब उसने ओपन किया डोर? तो एलिस सॉ लवलीस्ट गार्डन, बेड्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स एंड कूल फर्नीचर, कूल फाउंटेन्स. एलिस ने क्या देखा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लवलीस्ट गार्डन, जो गार्डन था वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत था, फ्लावर बेड था और फाउंटेन कैसे थे? एकदम कूल थे. नाउ विल गो टू द मैचिंग सेक्शन. मैच द वर्ड्स इन कॉलम ए टू देयर meanings in column B. Meanings are there, we have to match with the A and B. One number SCAMPER, scamper. तो scamper का मतलब क्या है? We have to see over here. So scamper means what? To run with quick short steps. So to run with quick short steps. This is the answer. First C. Now second is what? Hurried, done more quickly than usual. Hurried means what? Done more quickly than usual. Then popped, POPPED, popped. Popped means what? To go somewhere quickly and unexpectedly. Pop means what? To go somewhere quickly and unexpectedly. Disappear, disappear means what? To become impossible to see any longer. गायब हो जाना. So to become impossible to see any longer. And whisker is what? Long hair that grow near the mouth of animals. So dear children, I hope you have understood this matching exercise and question answers. Now we'll go to the next page. Look at the adjectives in the following phrases, classify them under the heading given below and complete the table. 1. A white rabbit, pink eyes, a blue coat, a big watch, a red waistcoat, a large rabbit hole, a pile of dry leaves, a small door, a glass table, a little golden key, the loveliest garden, beds of bright flowers, and got cool fountains. What we have to do? Over here it is saying, okay, look at the phrases. These are what? Phrases. These are called phrases. Right? Now, looking at the phrases, classify them under the headings given below and complete the table. See, phrases are these. All these are phrases. Only your heading is given. Size, color, quality, material. and we have to read in this phrase and write under each column. So shall we start with size? Okay, your size, it is what describe big, B-I-G, big, see over here. Then large, L-A-R-G-E, large. Then small, S-M-A-L-L, small. And in the last it is little. What it is in the last? It is little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Okay, so now we'll go to this is the little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Now we'll go to the color section. See over here, color where it is here. White rabbit, blue coat, red waistcoat, and what it is again, blue and golden. What it is? Pink is also there, see, pink color. Then it is golden. What it is? The color is, another word is what? Golden. And then blue. Now we'll go to the quality. What we are going to do? Quality. So loveliest, dry, loveliest, bright and cool and bright. And what else? Dry. So what are the quality? Loveliest, dry, bright and cool. Last is material. So it is glass. So did you follow the children? What are the adjectives that describe the words that are called adjectives? Now read the following and fill in the blanks using the suitable preposition from the boxes. Now here we have to write preposition in the box. Alice was lying dash a tree. Where was Alice lying? Under a tree. So we written under over here and we have do circle on under. Suddenly Alice saw a white rabbit scamper by. B-Y, by. So again we have put a circle over here, written B-Y, by. The rabbit took dash a big watch dash his waist pocket. So rabbit took out a big watch from his waist pocket. The rabbit popped dash a large rabbit hole. So what happened? The rabbit popped down. What happened? Rabbit popped down. Alice jumped dash the rabbit hole too. So what happened? Alice also was following the rabbit. So she also jumped into the hole. So once again we will read. Alice was lying under a tree. Suddenly Alice saw a white rabbit scamper by. The rabbit took out a big watch from his waist pocket coat. The rabbit popped down a large hole. The rabbit popped down a large hole. And last, Alice jumped into the rabbit hole. Now we'll do this exercise. Rearrange the following words to form meaningful sentence. These are jumbled up. We have to arrange it. The sentence. Number 1. What is that? First thought Alice something there was very rabbit different this about. So we have to frame it out. So first what we'll take? We'll take Alice. Alice thought there was something very difficult. See, so easy it is. In jumbled up we feel that the sentence is too big, but when we write it becomes very small and easy. So Alice thought there was something very different. The rabbit, Alice white followed. So Alice followed the white rabbit. Alice followed the white rabbit. And in the last, into rabbit Alice too the hole jumped. So Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. So once again we will read this. Rearrange the following words to form meaningful sentence. Alice thought there was something very different. Alice followed the white rabbit. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Complete this exercise in your English notebook. What you have to do? You have to complete this exercise in English notebook. Thank you.